Lou Bassanese joining us now. Lou, 147,000 jobs added. Pretty good, I would say. What do you think it means for the economy?
Status quo, right? Jerome Powell is going to be on hold. I think what everyone was weirdly expecting and hoping for a bad jobs report after ADP, because they want the Fed to cut. You saw a huge swing just before the jobs report and after. There's about a 25% chance of a cut. Now it's down to 6%. But yeah, I don't think we're going to get a July cut whatsoever. And September's probably off the table. You got a better chance of seeing me at a Taylor Swift concert than a Fed cut coming in the next 2 meetings.
Oh my gosh, you serious? So what's that going to do to President Trump? He's just going to have a meltdown.
I think that's it. You're going to, and I think that's why Powell will resist as long as he can. He'll stick to this line that, hey, we're waiting for tariffs to show an impact on inflation, because he doesn't want to look like he can be bullied and badgered and pressured into cutting rates.
There's been talk of him resigning. He says There's no way.
Yeah, I don't see that.
By law, he says, I'm not permitted.
Yeah, I don't see that. So I think, here's my thing. It's not really about one more cut, right? When's the cut coming? 25 basis points. It's not a precise measure. But when the Fed starts, it kicks off more cuts, right? So I think it's trying to time that right. I think we haven't seen the tariff impact show up in inflation yet. I don't think we're going to. So by September, I think the Fed's going to have ample cover to cut. By then, he's probably named a replacement for Jerome Powell. And at that point, what are you doing? You're doing a Hakeem Jeffries. You're just trying to stick around and make a point.
Still going.
Yeah, I know. Unbelievable.
But very quickly, it still looks like the second half of this year is pretty strong, a good outlook for the markets.
Yeah, I'm very bullish now, especially if this bill gets passed today, which it looks like it's going to. Earnings growth across the board, across large caps, small caps, are expected to reaccelerate. You get the benefit of these new tax deductions factoring into the economy.
Yeah.
I think the stage is set for a really good, strong, continued rally. So everyone loves to hear that. More green
tariff revenue. Tariff revenue is $106 billion so far, and that's only going to go up.
Yeah, June was more than double what.
Blue skies ahead, everyone. I feel good about it. Thank you, Lou.